Hey, Miss Turkey. She escaped this morning when Tyler was filling up their feeder. Everybody else is about to join you. Hey, Roosy. Hey, girls. Somebody left an egg down here this time. Alright y'all, it's supper time. We're making Farmhouse Spaghetti Casserole tonight. I've got the water heating up over here for the spaghetti. I've got the ground beef started here. There's a lot that goes in this spaghetti casserole, so you don't quite need 16 ounces of spaghetti. You just need about 10 ounces. Radish, onion, peppers, tomatoes, garlic, and spinach, and carrots. I think we'll just use 2 of these. Well, we'll use 3 because that's a little bitty one there. I gotta wash these still. We're gonna chop the onion and carrots first real quick. Get those in there, then the pepper and the garlic. The tomatoes and spinach will go in last because they really just need to go in the oven. They don't have to cook too much on the stovetop with it. Goodness, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Okay, now we'll slice up the peppers. Oh, I left a radish. You can see that one. Oh, I left 2. They were blended in with the tomatoes. These aren't really hot, so I'm not going to take the seeds out or anything. Oh, I forgot the garlic. Okay, ground beef is almost done. We'll drain it and then we'll add in the tomatoes and the spinach. I'm just going to cut these tomatoes in half.
Why you didn't use that spaghetti sauce we bought at all?
Oh, I forgot. I will use that. I forgot we had that, Daddy. But we always use spaghetti sauce, so that's okay. Titus just reminded me we got those pasta sauces from Costco the other day. I forgot about them, so we're going to use those instead of the ones I got from Aldi earlier. We're going to put in the tomatoes and the spinach. I'm going to chop the spinach just a little bit. Hello. Okay, I'm going to turn the pasta off because it's done. We'll bring it in. You know what? I might just stir it in with here when we get everything mixed in. We're going to put in the sauce. We'll use, let's see if we need 1 or 2 jars. These are really big jars.
Them big jars right there.
They are 32 ounces. How much is in those?
These are
24?
24. One will probably be enough.
Yeah, I think 1 will be enough. Let's see. Smell good?
Oh, good. Very good.
Was that just like their regular, what is it? Classico. Tomato, herbs, and spices. Okay.
Yeah.
Put just a little bit of water in there and shake it up so we can get it all out. We'll see. Let's put the pasta in here and we'll see if we need to mix, if we need to add more.
That thing's got a really good smell to it.
Stir it up here.
What it tastes like. Oh yeah, that's great.
We knew that Italian guy on that aisle knew what he was getting.
That is super good sauce right there now.
I mean, he didn't even look at the other ones. He just grabbed that, so we knew.
I really don't know if I've ever eaten any better than that.
Really?
I'm not kidding you. That stuff is good.
The oven's already ready for us, so we're going to spray a 9x13 casserole dish. Now we got some cheese to put on top. This is a 4 cheese blend. And it goes in the oven for just about 30 minutes.
What all's in this bad boy?
A lot of stuff. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot.
That's really good.
There's spinach, radishes, carrots, tomatoes, onions, garlic. Did I say spinach?
It's definitely a different twist on spaghetti. It's really good.
But you can't really taste those vegetables. They just kind of blend in, you know? For kids, you know what I'm saying? I mean, we like the taste of vegetables, but some kids don't.
I ate them all.
Yeah. Some kids don't love it, so kind of hide them in there.
Yeah.
Let's call it hide and seek spaghetti.
Hide and seek spaghetti.
Do you like that spaghetti, Manny Mac?
I like talking like this.
You like talking like that? Okay. Alright, y'all. It is several hours later. We found one of these little espresso makers at Walmart, marked down to $7. Was it $7?
Yeah.
$7. So we got one. Y'all know we saw these at, I think we've seen them a few places, but for sure we almost got one at that Mayberry's place, but they were, how much were those?
130,
yeah, something like that. This one was marked down to $7. So Titus has seen some people make coffee with this, and he says it looks like really good coffee. Now, do they just drink it straight espresso?
Yeah. Yep, I think so.
Okay, so it says to fill the water to here. Now we put the coffee grounds in here. We're just using Folgers. Okay, we're gonna turn it on to medium. Put the top on, and it says we'll hear it start gurgling. Ooh, I better put the top on before I turn it on. Okay, now we put it here, and we'll hear it start gurgling. And I forgot how long it said to do it after it gurgles. Let's see. When it makes a gurgling sound, okay, when it's 3/4 full after the gurgling sound, then we remove it and wait 30 seconds.
Okay.
Oh, that's it, okay.
I think we got a good cup of coffee on. I might make a few eggs.
Okay.
To be honest with you, I might. Everybody, we're having a moment tonight where we're still hungry. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start cooking. We do that around here.
Now, do you want to wait and pour your coffee then, or do you want to go ahead?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait after I
we'll
get
wait.
my eggs. I'm gonna make me a sausage patty here.
I must say that is an absolutely adorable little coffee thing. Oh, here you go.
I got sausage on my hand.
Put that on this side. And I'll get you your other pan for the eggs. Somebody put it somewhere different. Maybe it's over here. I'm looking for the other little pan. As y'all can see, it's, oh, there it is, right there. It's definitely time to organize the cabinets again.
We don't buy matching
Oh no,
stuff.
we like, if we buy a whole set of plates, we both know how many are we gonna have a few months later.
Not many. So
One.
we just buy one and admire it until it gets broke.
We got a few at Walmart this evening.
We got a few.
Because some things have been getting broken over the past few weeks. A wise person once said, don't hold stuff too tight.
That's what he said.
We don't hold our bowls and plates too tight.
His name was Chuck Swindoll. I heard him on the road. I think I was hauling cattle.
How many eggs are you going to want? I'll wash them for you.
Just 2 tonight.
Happy hens lay clean eggs, too.
If they're mad or sad or depressed, they'll poop on them.
That's how they communicate with you.
Y'all better straighten up now and get us a different feed. If they're happy with their feed and everything's going right, they won't poop on them. That's when we keep ours happy.
I think it's time to flip your sausage.
I'm going to flip my sausage, everybody. Here we
I
go.
will use this lid from the bowl that got broken yesterday. See, we won't throw this lid away.
No, we'll keep that lid.
We will use it for holding eggs that might want to roll.
We will tell y'all they're getting ready for Christmas stuff up at Walmart.
They are, and I'm not saying that I bought a Christmas shirt.
But she did.
Manly called me in there for me to ask you if he can have gummy worms on movie night.
Oh yeah.
He goes ahead and puts his request for things in early.
Gummy worms, he got it. We'll go get them at Dollar General.
He puts his request in early. He was telling me what he wanted for his birthday and Christmas the other day.